How to log out Gmail from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can log out of Gmail from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to remove your Gmail account, which in this case is also known as your Google account, from other devices, it's very simple. Open up Gmail and then log into your account. Tap your Google profile from the top right, then you'll find the option called manage your Google account. So tap on the manage your Google account button there, and as you tap on manage your Google account, you're going to be able to land on this page, where from here what you need to do is you just need to navigate to the option known as security. And once you go to this option here known as security, you're going to be able to see this interface, where you simply want to scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the option here known as your devices. So all you have to do is basically tap on manage all devices, and you will see a list of devices logged into your Gmail or Google account. So you just have to select a device that maybe you do or maybe you don't recognize for some reason, and after you have done that, you can just tap the sign out button here in order to sign out of those devices. This way you can log out your Gmail from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.